Hey there, folks. Welcome back to our channel, where we break down tech tips and banking hacks to make your life easier. Today, we're diving into something super straightforward: how to activate your TD debit card right from the TD app in 2025. Whether you're a new cardholder or just upgrading, this process is quick, secure, and can be done in just a few minutes from your phone. Let's jump right in. First things first, make sure you have the latest version of the TD app installed on your smartphone. Head over to your App Store, whether it's Google Play for Android or the App Store for iPhone, and update it if needed. Once that's done, open the app and log in with your username and password. If you haven't set up two-factor authentication yet, it's a great idea to do so now for added security. Now, once you're logged in, navigate to the main dashboard. Look for the Cards or Accounts section. It's usually front and center. Tap on it, and you'll see your debit card listed. Select your card, and then find the Activate Card option. It might be under a Settings menu or a dedicated button, depending on the 2025 update. Next, you'll be prompted to enter some details. This could include your card number, the CVV on the back, and maybe a verification code sent to your registered phone or email. Double-check everything for accuracy to avoid any hiccups. Hit Submit or Activate, and the app will process your request in seconds. You'll get a confirmation message on screen, and just like that, your card is ready to use for online shopping, ATM withdrawals, or anywhere else. One quick tip: if you run into any issues, like an error message, make sure your app is fully updated and you're on a stable internet connection. If problems persist, reach out to TD customer support through the app. They're usually super helpful. There you have it. Activating your TD debit card on the app is a breeze and keeps everything digital and secure. If this tutorial helped you out, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more banking tips, and drop a comment below if you have any questions. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.